Here's why investing in Lesotho will help your business grow. Lesotho has preferential access to major export markets, including the USA and the EU. Our workforce is literate, hardworking, easily trained, and speaks English. Our labor rates are highly competitive. Our people are friendly and hospitable. The country is a safe and secure place in which to work and relax. The Lesotho government offers tax incentives, including corporate tax of just 10%. The Lesotho National Development Corporation exists to partner you on your investor journey. Please contact them. Their experts are waiting to advise you on how to make your growth plans a reality. In urban areas, our young, educated workforce is perfect for business process outsourcing and call center operations. The time zone in which Lesotho is located is the same as South Africa and overlaps with European time zones. Lesotho enjoys excellent connectivity to global IT networks. There are around 5 investment opportunities in the sector.